Everyone, myself Raj, I look after the operations for a Prost Exclusive, and so we got here the Prost Exclusive. And this is the entry for the Prost Exclusive. We have a separate entry, and we got an elevator here and to take you up on the second floor directly. So here you got like entry for the second floor, and from here you have like, this is all about the smoking zone. On the roof we got like everything will be open back. So we got like open rooftop, and from here we got like an excellent view from here to see another crowd which is there from the ground floor and first floor, what we have from here, from top to top. So this is all about the seating, about like 73 cars we have. We got like divided into like smoking zones, and we got non-smoking zone also. And this is all about seating which we have, and we do have a separate the table setups like this. This is all table setup, we are doing it here. So I'll introduce my colleague who's look after the corporate bar operations of the Prost Exclusive. So Arun, just explain what we got in the bar.
Yeah, hi. So this is our bar for Exclusive. So we have largest collection of single malt here, a nice collection of Japanese whiskey, a largest collection of vodka even. So this bar is fully equipped with all the premium brands. We have some really fantastic water to mix with whiskey, vodka. Like we have whiskey water, which goes really well with blended whiskeys. Single malt water, yeah, very good to drink single malt water with this. Vodka water, specially made for vodkas. So here we are using LSA glass, made in Czech Republic. Specially handcrafted glasses. So these glasses we are using in Exclusive. Next we can take this also. So here we have specially curated exclusive cocktail menu for this floor, and we are serving all the premium liquor in our cocktails.
So here we got, we made exclusively for the membership people, so who take this membership. So we have it here, the box filled with, we got metal ice cubes, which is engraved their personal names. And we got here the coasters, again it is engraved on the coasters. And we got a membership card, it will be like 12-digit numbers, and you got like name on it. And you got Rabata Kavali, which we are going to be gift on the part of your membership card. So this place is all about, it's a non-smoking zone. And when you come here, we got like our Prost logo on this. And also we have it here, the tapping of bar. And we had a selection of all the beers what we have it here. We got like wild cider, we got a malts, we got a Hurricane, we got a Einhofer, we got a Craftig, and we got an Exclusive. It's a Belgian wheat. So this is all about our tapping of bar. The place which is we can see here is a fermentation house where we can producing the beer here. So this is all about the beers. So here we got DJ counter, DJ pole. From here it's almost, yeah. This is all about DJ, what we can see from here, everything. Here you can see the view, it's like elegant, the suiting furniture what we have it here. We got interior and everything. From here you got a big fans. And from here the view will be like excellent and fantastic view. I'll introduce our chef Shamal. He looks after the corporate, the kitchen chef. So he'll explain you the Prost Exclusive, all the exclusive menus and everything for the membership.
Hi, my Chef Shamal. I'm taking of the executive floor and Prost kitchen. We have specially designed menu for here. We have salmon, we have sea bass, and we have lobster spaghetti we have, and we have different pizzas we have, and we have especially rock salt fish we have. In here, we will take care of our guests very well. We have customized our food, and with our Raj and me coordinate with the guests, and we fully satisfied with the guests anytime. Thank you.
So I think the whole place is covered. One thing is assured, so Hyderabad is a place, any other place. If will definitely upscale the whole experience of having a food or drink, or spending your time, anything. Any aspect, Hyderabad F&B industry will upscale. Maybe with the alcohol, maybe with the plating, maybe with the crockery, maybe with the ambience and circle. This floor item, I won't say it's an expensive membership, I'll say it's a classy membership. It's more of the people who have the class go into this membership than people who are expensive. Even though they are rich, we are not considering some of them because we want the class cream to be covered in this first. And anta cream crowd vachinappudu, we'll make sure they are 200% satisfied. We already have 25-30 members. They regularly come down, and each one of them are so happy with this. I hope I'll see you all soon again.